Yes. What?
Your Holiness, how did you feel coming in between the...
Tell us about
How was the interaction?
your trip. Wonderful. Wonderful. Now last about 10 days in this area. First Kalimpong and then Sikkim area. Now the last visit now here. The local people spontaneous sort of expression of the friendship and many Buddhist devotion. Share some of my thoughts. I explain what is Dharma, what is Sangha. It is not sufficient. Just to repeat Buddham Shanam Gajami, Dharmam Shanam Gajami, Sangam Shanam Gajami, that's not sufficient. You must know what is Buddha, what is Dharma, what is Sangha. So wherever I go, I always explain what is Buddha and what is real Dharma. So one unique thing about Buddhism is utilize human intelligence maximum way, through that way transform our emotion. That's the Buddhist unique sort of way of approach, not just the faith. The Buddha himself, you see, told to his follower, oh my follower, bhikshus and
learned
scholars should not accept my teaching out of devotion and faith, but rather through investigation and experiment. So that is very scientific way of approach. So I always is telling Buddhist sort of follower, we should pay more attention about study. Otherwise, you see, you see, many monasteries or monks, you see, they fond of learning. They fond of just to carry ritual and some ceremonial and some different costumes. Not sort of they study about a real Buddhist philosophy. So I'm very happy.
And how did it feel like coming in between the school students, small?
I always, you see, consider these people, younger generation, who actually belongs to 21st century. And I think I think they belong to both 20th century and 21st century. Me belongs to 20th century now. Now ready to say goodbye. So, this 21st century, only 10 years passed, 90 years yet to come. So these people, these children, the real people who can create new shape of world. So I always say, telling people, the 20th century, great century, however, that century becomes a century of bloodshed. Now this century, in order to build peaceful century, we must create the spirit of dialogue. So this 21st century should be century of dialogue. Then whenever we face some conflict, some differences or potential of conflict and differences, we must adopt
the way of dialogue.
The spirit of dialogue, respect others' interests, others' view, and then try to find mutually agreeable solutions. That's the only way. So I always tell these young people like that. So I'm very happy.
The Chinese will say, how do you think it will help ease the relation between the two countries?
Of course, welcome. Meeting with leaders is very important. Particularly Sino-Indian relations is concerned, it is very, very important because you see combination these two nations, then over 2 billion of human beings, most populated two nations. So genuine friendship on the basis of mutual trust is very essential. For the time being, it is not easy, but it is important. Meet personally. So therefore I'm welcome.